Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about bulk properties before moving on to changes of state, heating and cooling. We'll then think about predicting states and finish off with a summary.
We can start by thinking about what is known as bulk properties. A sample of a substance that we can see will contain billions of atoms or molecules. For example, 1 gram of diamond contains 5 times 10 to the 22 carbon atoms, where 10 to the 22 is 1 with 21 zeros after it. There are some properties which will stay the same regardless of the size of the sample. We call these properties bulk properties, and 2 examples are melting points and boiling points. For example, moving from a solid to a liquid and then a liquid to a gas. The melting and boiling temperatures. The temperatures at which this melting and then boiling processes occur will be the same regardless of how much of the sample you have. Bulk properties are dependent on how atoms within the sample interact with each other. For example, if you've watched our video on states of matter, you'll know that this diagram indicates a particle model representation of a liquid, where the particles that make up this liquid are held together by forces. These forces are fairly strong and hold the liquid together, but do allow for some movement. The fact that this sample is a liquid depends on the interaction between the particles, and we can say that atoms in bulk will behave differently to individual atoms. For example, a single atom of copper won't conduct electricity. It's only within the metallic bonding framework, due to the presence of lots of other atoms. Let's start by thinking about the changes of state we can achieve by heating. Changing state from a solid to a liquid is known as melting. We melt ice cubes in order to get water, for example. This change of state happens because as you heat a solid, this gives the particles within that solid more energy. If you've watched our video on states of matter, you'll know that these diagrams represent particle model diagrams of the particles within a solid. On the left-hand side, we can think about a particle at low temperature. Each particle will vibrate slightly around its fixed position. Adding heat energy will give each particle more energy.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.